Welcome.
Welcome back to PunchDrunk ENT. You got your guys here with you, Mr. Swag and Waggy.
I'm just Dan.
Godfather the Great.
Y'all back with another. Oh man, try not to laugh challenge.
This is going to be hard for me.
Tony Baker.
You guys know this guy has some of the funniest voiceovers that you can think of. Go.
We them ducks, you better bow when we step on your street. We them ducks, you better look at who you came to see. We them ducks, you better bow when we step on your street. We them ducks, you better look at who you came to see. Yeah. Bow when we step on your street.
There, bro. I'm glad you did it. I'm glad you did it before I did. It was the voice change. He got deep and soulful with it, bro. That almost threw me off.
Bruh, I gotta take this, bro. That shit was just too funny, bro. It was some slavery shit right there, dog. I gotta take this. I gotta take it a little bit too.
All right, so that's one on you.
I don't think I'm gonna last, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to drink some water next.
Right. Everybody good?
Yeah.
Stop smiling. I'm good. Let's go.
Them ducks, you better. This ain't no Scrooge McDuck. This ain't no DuckTales. Huey, Dewey, and Louie, yeah, they can go to hell. Look at who you came.
A whole
Kellogg's sausage flakes, mama. I better not catch you eating cornflakes again, Playboy. Really?
Broke down. Yeah.
He called me with the whole.
I told you it wasn't gonna last, bro. I told you it wasn't gonna last.
That was the last one. But he called me on guard.
I told you it wasn't gonna last.
All right.
I told you it
We got
wasn't
with that
gonna
one.
last.
All right.
Let this Lipton tea bag of destiny be the hint you need for these bugs. Boy, Cedric. Just let me get it right here. Okay.
Rope.
Okay, here we go.
There you go.
Yeah. Is this what you wanted, Carol? Is this what you wanted? You having a good time? You having a good time? Yeah. Well, now I'm having a good time.
Wow.
That's our last nigga.
That's what you wanted, Carol, right?
You can hear over
Good
there,
times?
I can hear it. I'm good.
Trina, you know what time it is? Let's go. Booty butt cheeks, booty butt cheeks, booty butt cheeks, booty butt cheeks.
Yo, Dante. All right.
Hold up, bro. Why though? Why? The dog though?
Dog just
The
getting it in
dog,
though. Like,
The dog though?
Booty butt cheeks.
I wonder who started twerking first. Was it the dog or her?
No, I think it was the dog first, bro. I swear.
Dog heard the song. Dog like it. Get it out, bro.
Let's go.
Phone, bro. Hate that ringtone. Wish I could
Really
get
do.
you on.
Yo, what's good, shawty?
Shorty.
Your man still around?
Oh, my human, a whole villain out here. He gonna get us both shot up. Trina, when we get to this dog park, it's this black lab, man. I've been smelling her butt for months, and when I tell you, poof, oh, you just gonna it tastes like purse straps and knockoff. Anyway, Katrina, you wrong for Paul. You gonna double up on the disrespect? No apologies.
Dog gotta eat.
I need a new one. Don't be hugging me. Well, how about that? It be your own people. Katrina having the time of her life after she done slapped me
Dog
across
is
the
upset.
face
That dog was
twice
so
with that
upset.
cheap ass purse.
He wanted to bite
They
her ass,
smile
bro, for real.
in your face all the time. They want to take you place. Don't trust people that hug y'all.
Shit.
Okay, sit with it.
That's a whole boxer too.
Oh yeah. I'm the best sitter in the game. You know what I'm saying?
Don't eat that until I get back.
So eat this
Okay.
before you get back.
Stay.
Stay
Don't
here
eat
and
that
eat it. Stay here and eat
until I
it.
get back.
That's why I miss my dog. I want to see if he was.
Immediately.
ASAP.
That's like my dog now.
Ooh, we gonna eat good. Yo, it's gonna be good, fellas. You know. Yo, Percy, man, what you doing? That's how we living on. Even taste your selfish. Hey, now listen, man. Y'all
selfish.
gonna sit up here and act like y'all didn't go for yours? Y'all just mad cause I won. So ooh, I ate good.
These songs, man.
Songs almost got me.
What?
What's wrong, fellas? Y'all don't want to harmonize? Gary, man, come here up out here, man. You don't want no parts of it. Gary, we cousins. Don't do your boy like this. You don't want no turtle soup, man. Come on. Gary. Gary, you almost ate my head off, bro. Hey, boy, you got a lot of nerve. It be your own people, man. Come on, man. You done chewed my little paw. Sitting there singing your little stupid song. I tell you what, Gary.
Hey,
come in the next family reunion.
It's a wrap.
Telling my aunt. You
Crushing
just
everything.
lost one. It's so silly. How come?
Ew! Not the Lauryn Hill, bro.
He got it on that one.
Ew!
Is that him or that thing?
Yeah,
I don't know. I'll take it. I'll take that
was
one.
him more.
Yeah.
That was him more, right? He got you on that
Man.
one, buddy. He definitely got you on that one.
All right.
The Lauryn Hill threw me off,
Yeah,
man.
for real.
Yeah.
Telling my aunt. You just lost one. It's so silly. How
Oh, yeah, that caught me. That-
come?
Yeah,
What
that Lauryn
you
Hill.
done? Natalie, get these stupid gadgets up off my body, man. This stupid rope. You know, physical activities ain't never been my ministry. You can go on without me, Natalie. I will just slow you down. You can spin me like a rotisserie chicken all you like. It's the rotisserie chicken.
Bro, why'd he go?
Got it again. Bro,
Yeah, it's got you. He went, the rotisserie chicken.
He got you that time. He got you that time.
Nah, it's screaming like rotisserie chicken. The rotisserie chicken.
I was close. Bro, I'm glad it catches you before it catches me, because it be like this close.
Yeah, damn sure do.
The magnificent. Quiet. Stay ready, baby boy. What's up, good people? This is Greg the Stallion. Y'all see me out here shining and glistening, running robustly. Ladies, y'all see the hair you wish you had. Look at this.
Oh, shit. That's what they already
Socked
learned.
him out because he wasn't paying attention. His drone crash lands like a UFO. I turn around, I'm like, yo,
killed the
player,
drone?
you should have been ready. You got to be ready at all times. You looking down, you got to be looking up. Horses never look down. You know what I'm saying? I got no remorse. Crammed him, kept it moving, and I'm going to be running again. And hey, I'll run somebody over tomorrow. Where the hell are you guys going?
Oh, damn.
Popped out. That one got me. That pop out was got
What
me.
the fuck?
Hold up, bro. Why was there so many Adidas flip flops in that one
For
shot?
real.
Running again. And hey, I'll run
Why's all
somebody
the
over tomorrow.
Adidas flip flops in the
Where the hell
background?
are you guys going?
You see it?
Yeah, God. They love
Three
Adidas.
pair of Adidas.
Like 3 of them Johns.
He watching my every goddamn.
Ain't with the shit.
I'm trying to look away
Fuck
now.
y'all.
I'm on
Not
to
with the shit right there.
Cats are assholes, man.
Biggest assholes. The big roach.
Not as big as his ad about to come in.
Hewlett. Forget your little hoe, you know what I'm saying? Oh, that's what we doing? Hewlett. Oh, okay.
How about
Okay.
that?
Yeah, we
Get
get
your
your
hoe.
where that came from, you know what I'm saying? Hewlett. Oh, how about that?
Hold up. That shit is just
It almost got me.
Yeah.
You almost got me.
No,
This
got me.
retarded, bro. Yeah, hold up. The fish though. The fish though. Nigga is stupid, bro. Tony Parker is fucking no bush.
It's
Fucking
Tony
retarded.
Parker from the
Tony
Spurs.
Parker.
Baker.
Tony
My
Baker.
bad. My bad, Baker.
Yeah.
My bad. Hold up. I gotta take this back. I don't even want to take the shit. I'm gonna just lick the damn tip of it. No
Oh,
problem.
wait a minute.
You want that cut or not?
Cut it out.
Okay, let me go to the trunk on you, man. I'm going to the trunk for this one,
Not
man.
the trunk.
You a real piece
you
of
pop
work.
the trunk on-
Spin it all in my face. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. You
Now
gonna hit me
what?
with the big kernels, huh? Okay, then.
Big
We'll feel every
kernels.
piece of this.
Oh, you a real piece of work.
Huh? We are the government. You gonna take this vaccine? No. No. Slide into the no. I refuse. No.
Ew. I can't even style this, bro.
Needle block. No. Recovery. Oh, no.
Oh my God, that was
the funniest shit I seen. That is the funniest.
She was killing it though.
What? Oh. Oh, that shit was too funny, yo.
All right, we almost done.
almost.
Show y'all how I get it. And first you lift the seat up, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to get your day started with that. Then you cock that leg up and fire off. Huh, huh, huh. I pee in shots, baby. Shots fired, man. You put the lid back down because we gentlemen out here, and then you flush it hard. You look at the truck while the water's working, man. That's how I get it, man. You feel me?
Hey, you look.
Man. Get this out of here, man. Get this out of here, man. Just stop it right now. Just stop it right now, man. I want the meats. I eat the meats. I'm not my cousin, okay? Stop. I want the crickets. I want the meats, man. I don't like this vegetarian BS, man. Stop, okay? Gone. So I'm good, man. I'm good. Man, stop. I'm a vegetarian now, man. Get this out of my face, man.
Why do you throw it? Yo! Why do you throw the cricket?
That was a spit take for low key. I'm glad I got to hit that one.
That is
That was a spit take for me.
Nigga really threw that shit though. Oh.
You're so nice. Stop. No. Don't try to break this up, Cassandra. He was tough online in my comment section on Instagram. Now he quiet now that we face to face. Now look at my eyes and reflect, player. Keep that same energy, playboy.
Yeah, but oh man, that was
He called me a couple times.
caught you a couple. Caught me a couple. Caught you a lot.
Yeah.
Yo, man.
Hey, listen.
These Tony Baker ones
Could've
is
been a little bit
hilarious.
better. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Tony Baker. Follow his Instagram. He's hilarious.
Yeah.
Man, it's hilarious, man. And make sure you guys also rock with the PunchDrunk stream team, man. Follow everything that we do, man. Thank you for everybody that's been watching. Everybody that's enjoying us.
Please follow.
Sir, that Facebook gaming, that Patreon, that merch. Get it on your body. I'm gonna push that now. I'm gonna keep saying it every time now. Every time I talk about merch, get it on your body.
Get it on your body, man.
I gotta get that new merchandise.
Yeah,
I
man.
only got that. I got y'all the first one.
You got that old merch.
You got that old merch. You need that new merch.
That
man.
vintage merch.
Yes,
I seen the mug joint, and I drink coffee, so you know I need my mug now.
Sure, man.
Get it in your mouth.
Oh shit!
Get that merch on your body and that mug in your mouth.
Pineapples.
Thank you guys for watching, man. This is PunchDrunk ENT, Mr. Swag and the Waggy.
I'm just Dan.
Godfather the Great.
And we out.